Okay guys, hello. Today I'm going to be showing you guys on how to get that. Look, you type, no matter what you do, you go on Steam. Say that. Let me just do that. Get rid of that. Okay, so like Steam. Even on Steam, look. No matter where you go, you can hear it. Meg Vibes. It's called Meg Vibes, but I'll show you exactly. I'll tell you exactly how to install it. Yep, okay. So, first what you want to search up is Meg Vibes. It should be the first link. Click download now. And then don't click any of these. Click the setup one. Meg Vibes setup 2.3.4.exe. Install that. Don't mind those. I already installed it. So you click it. And then next install. It should be installing. And then it should pop up with like this. It's like this. Yeah, it should pop up like this. And click more sounds if you want more sounds. But look, click that, and it goes away. So, this shows up. You choose any one you want. So like this one. I don't want that one. Say I want this one. You put it on. Put it to 100. So try icon. You don't want to. If you don't want to, then click X, and then it's still there. Look, see that? But if you wanted to go away, go into here. You like click that little arrow. You see the Meg Vibes. Click it, and then click quit, and then boom, it's gone. And then if you want it back, just search up Meg Vibes. Comes back up, and then boom, you got it again. That's how you guys get it. See ya.